welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at the all-new Audi RS6 2024. This high-performance wagon is the ultimate expression of Audi's engineering prowess, and it's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Exterior: the RS6 2024 is a stunning car, with a sleek and aggressive exterior design that's sure to make a statement. Front of the car is dominated by a large single-frame grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights. Sides of the car are sculpted and muscular, with flared wheel arches that house massive 22-inch alloy wheels. Rear of the car is equally impressive, with a large spoiler and a diffuser that helps to reduce drag. Interior of an Audi RS6 2024. The interior of the RS6 2024 is just as luxurious as the exterior. The cabin is swathed in high-quality materials, including Nappa leather and Alcantara. The seats are comfortable and supportive, and there's plenty of room for passengers and cargo. The RS6 2024 also comes with a host of advanced technology features, including a digital instrument cluster, a head-up display, and a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Performance: the RS6 2024 is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.0 liters V8 engine that produces 600 horsepower and 590 pounds-to-feet of torque. This powerful engine allows the RS6 2024 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, and it has a top speed of 190 miles per hour. Audi RS6 2024 parked in front of a beautiful sunset. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Audi RS6 2024. If you're looking for a high-performance wagon that's both stylish and luxurious, the RS6 2024 is definitely worth considering. What do you think of the Audi RS6 2024? Let me know in the comments below, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car reviews.